Crockpot Cowboy soup. Let us get started making this good soup. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, 1 onion, diced, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 can, cheddar 15 oz, diced tomatoes, 1 can, darned 15 oz, kidney beans, drained and rinsed, 1 can, cheddar 15 oz, pinto beans, drained and rinsed, 1 can, cheddar 15 oz, black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 can, cheddar 15 oz, corn drained, 1 can, 10 oz, diced tomatoes with green chilies, 1 can, 4 oz, diced green chilies, 1 packet of taco seasoning, 1 packet ranch dressing mix, 4 cups beef broth, salt and pepper to taste, shredded cheddar cheese, sour cream, and chopped green onions for garnish. Instructions: 1. In a skillet over medium heat, cook the ground beef until browned. 1. Drain excess fat. 2. Add diced onion and minced garlic to the skillet, sautéing for 2-3 minutes until softened. 3. Transfer the beef mixture to a crock pot. 4. Stir in diced tomatoes, kidney beans, pinto beans, black beans, corn, diced tomatoes with green chilies, and diced green chilies. 5. Sprinkle in taco seasoning and ranch dressing mix, then pour in the beef broth. 5. Stir everything together. 6. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 7. Cover and cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours. 8. Serve warm, topped with shredded cheddar, a dollop of sour cream, and chopped green onions. Enjoy this cozy, hearty soup. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more recipes.